Welcome to my channel. I am Cem Kaplan from Livebook. Today, as you see, we have potatoes and some herbs like this. Today we are going to make a Hasselback potato. Its name comes from a restaurant. It's famous with this. Today we are going to make it. Let's start. I wash my potatoes and let's cut it. But don't cut it to the end. Let's prepare our sauce. For sauce, I will use some olive oil. I have thyme, chili pepper and rosemary. And I will add some black pepper. And some salt. You can add any kind of spice that you like and mix it. Add some more olive oil. And you can use a brush. You can use a brush to oil the potatoes. As you see, I brush my potatoes 2 times. Now I preheat my oven at 200 Celsius. Let's bake them. If your potatoes are big, they need to be baked longer time. At first I will bake them for 30 minutes and look whether they are cooked or not. Let's wait. My potatoes are almost ready. I will grate some cheese on them. You can also add cheese in the middle of the potatoes. Let's bake it for extra 5 minutes. My potato is ready. I want to add just a little bit spring onion on it. As you see, it's ready. One day you will wake up and there won't be any more time to do the things you have always wanted. Do it now. As Paula said that. Thank you for watching me this week. If you like my video, please press like button. See you on our next videos. Cheers.
Ciao.